Good morning, Ginny here. LearnWithGinny.com is where you can find all my free training and all the various places to get in touch with me. So, yesterday's questions, I had, two people ask almost the same question. And if you have a question about running a home business at home or some of the tools we use for promotions and stuff like that, just drop a question. I'd be happy to use some new material on my next video. So, if I know the answer. If I don't, I usually know somebody who does because I know a lot of people now. One of the amazing things in this industry is the people you meet. So, down to the business. The two questions were, number one, this person had learned how to collect leads for his real estate business, and he wanted to use those skills to do something on his own. So his question was, well, what do I sell to use this new skill set to sell stuff? Well, you might want to learn some sales some sales tactics and some sales skills, right? But this is going to answer that question. I have like 4 different approaches to that question. And then the other question was, it was a woman, help. She's like, I need to make some cash from home. I need a side hustle. What do you recommend? What do you do that I would be able to do? So, to answer those questions, 4 things. Number 1 is an MLM, network marketing company, something like that. Now, I know some people attach a little bit of scamism to it, but all the companies that I have touched and been involved with were legit companies with awesome products. So, and quite honestly, almost all the products that I buy for my home come from an MLM of some kind because they're fantastic quality products. And they're made in the US, most of them, I think. Anyway, I'd have to do a little research on one of them. But anyway, so there's that. Now, the one that I promote most is super easy because, as a matter of fact, honey, I'm talking to you. If you have a little bit of weight to lose and you want to try the product, I would literally order my sample, which is only a week's sample for $29, and I would say, hey, to my friends, I'm going to try this stuff. Try it with me. Let's see how that goes. You make $15 a pop on each one that you sell. Fast cash. Just an example. Okay, so there's the MLM network marketing angle. I would just find a product that I love, because when you find something you love, it's easy to sell because you talk about it naturally. Like, man, this is what I use. I use this to clean my windows. You might like it too. So, anyway. The number 2 is affiliate, which is similar. It's not, it's more like commission. Like, you sell something, you make a certain percentage off of what you sell. And Amazon has an affiliate program. There is Share a Sale, and there's ClickBank. But some of the stuff on there is kind of, I didn't find anything that I would personally use, so I did not promote anything there. That was just me, but anyway. So there's that. Affiliate stuff. I mean, if you find something you love, look and see if they have an affiliate program, because if they do, you can sign up and you can share the product that you use. So that's number 2. Number 3 is, I had to think for a minute. I didn't write any notes. Usually I make a list so that I don't forget something. I know a guy, what he does is he goes around and buys, old stuff, refurbishes it and makes it into something new and sells it. That's easy. And number 4, I'm going to jump right to it because it's similar, is to just go around your house. Everyone has old electronics stuff. I mean, if you live in the US, you have stuff. I know you do. Go around and gather up what you have and figure out what it's worth and sell it on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay, whatever. That's not number 4. I guess I had 5 because I was lumping those 2 together on my list. Now I just remembered. So, lastly, is create something of your own. You know something that other people don't know or don't know how to do. You can create a course, an online digital course on how to do that and sell that. So I know Kajabi is one of the platforms. I don't use that one. I use a different one that costs a lot less. So if you want that, I can certainly share it with you. I think there's a 10-day trial if you want to take a peek. I'd have to double check, but I'm pretty sure, yeah. Yeah, because you can get a trial, and I think it's $10 for a 10-day trial. And that's where I get all of my home business training from, by the way. So there's that. If you want to learn a sales skill to go along with all this, I am sharing my story tonight. And storytelling is the best sales tool because it appeals to our basic human wiring. We're hardwired for stories, guys, and story sell is the best way to sell. So let me know if you want to come, all right? And let me know if you need any of the information I mentioned in here, because I don't know, if I put this on my YouTube channel, I'll probably have links below it. All right? Not if, I will. Make it a great day. I'm Ginny, and you know what? I'm just a mom. I'm learning all these skills and I'm sharing with you what I learned. So make it a great day. Let me know if you need anything. And sign up. You know what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get on my newsletter so you don't miss anything if I have stuff to share. So, I'm constantly learning and growing, and I want to take you with me.